What's up? Welcome to the latest live stream. I'm William. Today is November 30th. I think it's the last day of the month. And I'm just going to be working on this remix app that I was working on the other day. The SendGrid stuff is done. I want to get the Mailgun stuff started today and get in a good position to finish it up probably tomorrow. And the last one that I have to do is MailChimp. MailChimp is probably the one that I should have did first because I don't have any experience with MailChimp, but it is what it is. Or maybe I'll do MailChimp today, maybe. In any case, I'm gonna go ahead and hop over into my screen. I had to delete the last stream that I did because I forgot that I had audio settings changed. So if you happen to see a post a few minutes ago, that was it. So apologies for that. Oh, and maybe I should hide my screen. I gotta make sure I don't have any work stuff on here first. Give me a second. Okay. Wait. All right, I do have a work thing open. Let me close this window. All right, cool. All right, here is the app. I mean, it's still up and running. It looks like oh wait, I'm looking at the wrong thing. Looks like I've already done some pushing, so I don't really need to worry about that now. So let's get MailChimp done. I think this is the one that may cost me a little bit more effort because of reasons. Let's see if I can find my notes. Oh, shit. Yeah, I should probably finish this. I was supposed to figure out how to register for my test. And I figured it out. It's just a lot of, I had to like print a document and I had to figure out a way to get a check because I don't keep checks. I'll deal with that later. We don't want to deal with that right now. Recently recovered. Do I care? No, I don't. Let's delete that. Is not possible to. Okay, sure. All right. Let's go to my notes, which for some reason they were hidden. And let's move my notes. Actually, no, I want to move my email off the screen. That's the I forgot to take that off. Let me put email off to another monitor. Okay. All right, here we are. So I should have, oh, actually, you know what? Oh, wait, no, I do want to open it here because it's a PNG on GitHub, which means that zooming is not going to work the same. So let's find that. Is it here? Projects, migration tool. Yeah, there we go. All right, so here's MailChimp. And I'm gonna remind myself how this works. What? Okay, that just ruined all my Zoom. Okay, so I put these notes together, I don't know, some time ago, and it has all the stuff that I need, like all of the steps. I've kind of listed it out for myself. All right, so you could download your MailChimp account's data with a single request. That's actually nice because I can't do that with the one that I just finished. It required 3 different requests. So we could use the marketing API, which is this thing right here. So I have to first generate a new group. Oh God. I had to generate a new report. All right, let's go on and create a one of these things right here, a DAO. All right, we're gonna create a Mel gun. Wait, no, this isn't Mel gun. This is MailChimp. All right, we'll export a builder function type of thing. So we'll call this build. I think I'm using that name, that naming right there. Yeah, build. Yeah. I want to make sure I'm consistent. So we're gonna say build MailChimp DAO. And what did I not call that? Oh, I did. Okay. Yeah, I did. Okay. So we're gonna do this, and this is likely gonna take some type of API key. Yeah, API key. And I want this to return a new object. And the first thing is going to be, what is this? Make a request to get to the account exports endpoint. Generate new export. All right, so we'll call it that. We'll say generate export. This will be likely an async function. I don't know if it needs to take anything. Let's see. So we get back, include stages, audiences. Okay, so some of the stuff I will hard code. A folder with separate files for clean subscribe. Yeah, this is probably what I want right here. Or campaigns, a CSV of regular email campaigns. Located on campaigns. This includes, no, that's not it. Events, reports, different reporting data. Okay, so I'm gonna grab audiences. I think that's the one that I want. And I guess it's just gonna give me everything. And if that's the case, then, oh my gosh, so much easier. All right, I think that's it. There doesn't seem to be any other things that I need to give to this. So let's go ahead and copy. I can't, damn it. We're gonna have to go to the docs so I can copy. I'm not typing anything today, screw that. All right, we'll just copy and paste this. And we'll dump this in here. We'll say this is the API. All right, so we'll delete this part, or cut that part rather. And then DC. I think this is something that I should probably pass in. DC. I don't know what DC is. Let's figure out what this DC is. DC. Okay, way to not explain what the hell DC is. All right, let's go to the fundamentals. Maybe it's in here, DC. Okay, the root for the API is DC. The DC part of the URL corresponds to the data center for your account. Okay, so we're gonna call this data center. And I guess because of that, we'll do this. All right, now here we'll create our endpoint, and this will be a concatenation between API. Oops. I'm using string interpolation right now. I don't really have to, but I kind of prefer it sometimes. Put that in there. All right, so now we have our endpoint. Oops, that's not what I wanted. That's what I wanted. All right, cool. So in here, what I'll do is just I don't know, we'll just log the error, I guess. I don't really need to do anything much. And then maybe I'll return the error. Although I'm not doing that in the other one. Maybe I should. Yeah, I'm returning all. Yeah, maybe we'll just return the error. For now, I'll keep the error here, and I'll keep the other one as is. I don't want to change that because I don't know if it's going to continue to work. All right, so with that, we can create our response or do the requesting. We'll use fetch. I'm going to fetch from our endpoint. And what do we need to do? We need to do a post. So then we'll say method is what, post. We need to put some headers in here. What do we need? User. Wait, test as user. Wait, what? All right, I don't know if I understand this anymore. Oh wow, there's a freaking client. I don't even have to think. Oh my, okay, all right. So I've just learned that there's a client. Is there a client for the other one that I was using for SendGrid? Oh my gosh, wait, did I actually do work that I didn't have to do? Shit, I did. I didn't even think to ask the question. And you would think I would, but I didn't. SendGrid, let's see, Node.js. Oh my gosh. There was a client this whole time. Oh my gosh. Ah, man. Well, sure. Fine. So it turns out there's an API. So maybe I could have just used this API and not have to do any work. I'm definitely going to use whatever API here. Although it's still not clear to me what user is. Is that... Yeah, I still don't know what that is. All right, so bash PHP. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just say user and just see what happens, because I really don't know what -- user means in curl land. Or we can ask ChatGPT. Yeah, that's okay. Whoa. Oh, I'm like, wait, how does it know? Okay, I'm done. All right. So it seems like, oh, this is using basic. Okay, I see what's happening. This is using basic authentication. All right. I need to, oh my gosh. I need to see what that would look like in the actual request right quick. So give me a second to do that. So we have, what are we working with? MailChimp. Generate new report, headers. Okay, so I never actually did this here. So what that thing is saying is using basic auth. So let's see if I put like a and then whatever that is, we get back -u here. So my question is going to be, I guess, how would this look in Node land? So I'm going to pull down one of these, what do you call these things? one of these plugins that will convert it to node, so I would know what that looks like. Oh, here we are, node HTTP. Yeah, no, I want the fetch API. Do we not have a fetch API? JavaScript, yep, there we are. Install that, we'll open that. Yep, install. Cool, so now I can come in and grab fetch. Wherever that is, where's JavaScript fetch? Interesting. Either I can't read or it's not here, one or the other. Yeah, okay. So it's definitely, let's reload, okay. It's definitely in here. It's called fetch generator. ABC, HIJK, yeah, it's not here right now. So let's quit it and reopen it. Maybe I have to restart. I don't see it. This is a first. Oh, it's okay. It's not JavaScript. Okay, so it's authorization. Okay, so authorization, that's what I need. Oh my gosh, that was, I guess I could just use their client. I could just do that. That may be, yeah, you know what? Let's just use their client. Is it integrations? Oh wait, well, is there not a client? Maybe I'm just thinking that there definitely is, because there's this Node.js thing. Oh, it's MailChimp marketing. Okay, so we're gonna install that. What are we using? Package. Okay, so this is npm. We're gonna install whatever that was, MailChimp marketing. And actually, you know what? Maybe I'm not gonna do that, because I would have to create a client each time, because this API and all this stuff would be different. Never mind. I'm just gonna do it. Screw it. So then we're gonna grab we're gonna just do this right here, and let's go on to MailChimp. And inside of this DAO, we're gonna generate a client. So we gotta import this. I don't know. I don't know what it is. It's this right here. So that import from that, and let's see if what's there to import from here. It must be a default import, so we'll just call this MailChimp client. Or not. Wait, why can't this? Oh, it may not have types. It doesn't have types. All right, since this doesn't have types, screw this. I'm not about to. It's not that useful to me if it's just a JavaScript thing. I can do it myself. So we'll go in and remove that. We'll say npm remove. What are we removing? Whatever that is. All right, so headers, this is going to be authorization. Well, we don't need that to be a string. Authorization. Yeah, I'll make it a string anyways. And we're going to say basic. I think it's basic like that. And this needs to be one of these. We're going to put in our API key. Okay. What else do I need to put in here? to have whatever this is, included stages or something like that. So let me just copy that, and then we're going to put in our body, and we'll have to stringify it. So we're going to include stages, and this is an array of things. So the only thing I care about is this audiences. Okay. Technically, I should check to see if the request is successful, but I'm not about to do that. So also, I want to see what does this look like. What am I going to get back? Does it say? Oh, maybe I guess I'm gonna do that. This doesn't say what I'm gonna get back, so I guess I'm just gonna have to see. So we're gonna do a I don't know, we'll just call this data, I don't know, something like that. .json. I'm assuming I'm getting back a JSON response. I have no idea. Put a breakpoint, and I want this to be in a debug window. All right. Now I also need a what do you call that thing? Like a route, that thing. So we're going to create one for MailChimp. And I'm going to literally copy this. Oops. Then after I copy this, I'm going to delete most, basically all of it. I haven't created snippets for building this yet. Maybe I should do that soon. Create some snippets so that I don't have to do all this boilerplate. So it's going to be MailChimp. We're going to, maybe we'll use loader data, but right now there's, we'll figure out that in a second. This is definitely not going to be a SendGrid API key. It's going to be our MailChimp API key. And I need to also remember to delete this after the workflow completes. And I also want to figure out how to expire this cookie at a certain point. All right, so we have an action, which is going to do some things. Most notably set the MailChimp key. And then there's also this loader. Now, the form is going to change. I have this, whatever this is. I just need to take all of this out. Render MailChimp field. So we'll just take all these MailChimp fields, come into MailChimp, and then throw our MailChimp fields here. All right. Now I think I should be able to delete this right here. Yep. Cool. And I can delete this soon. You know what? Maybe I should do that now. Let's just go ahead and do that now. Let's take MailChimp and duplicate that. Where's the duplicate? Screw it. I will just use the keyboard shortcuts. All right, we're gonna do mailgun tsx, and let's come here. I need to make sure that this is what it's supposed to be. This is gonna be MailChimp. Sure, we'll call it authentication. This is not going to, I don't want this to take me to there. In fact, this post may not even be what I want to do. Maybe I just want to post to this particular page. So we'll put MailChimp here. Because remember, it's only one request, so I don't have to collect any other information. Makes my life a little bit easier. So we have our one signal app ID, and then we're going to get our HTML for what is this called? MailChimp API. key. Oh, wait a minute. Why am I doing this? I guess I'll keep it, but like I don't understand why I'm doing that. So we're gonna do SendGrid. Oh, not SendGrid, MailChimp, and then API key. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I'm gonna keep it the same. All right, MailChimp server see. Okay, that's fine. MailChimp server prefix. Wrong thing. I want this. All right, and then MailChimp API key. MailChimp API key. Okay. And we're not gonna have a contact list or anything. Or I think it's just gonna be download or something like that. All right. There's also no SendGrid API key. None of that BS. This is gonna be our Mail grid. Or no, MailChimp. Not MailGrid. MailChimp API key. And I want this to be set that. All right. And this is not going to be loader data, whatever that is. It's going to be API something, or Mailgun or something. So we're going to get this, and we're going to rename this to be MailChimp API key. All right, now why does this not get set? Is it because of here? Yep. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is we'll set the value to whatever is in MailChimp, that, and we'll also do an on change. And I guess I do need to grab the event. So we'll do this. We'll say set MailChimp API key, and then we'll say e current target dot value. Okay. I think I've done enough of the cleanup. Maybe this should be good. So now I can then. Oh, I've already copied it over. God damn it! All right. So I guess now I get to come over here and do the same thing. So this is going to be the Mailgun API key. Right, and this will get renamed to Mailgun. Oops. So we're gonna do Mailgun here, Mailgun there. Cool. In fact, I don't even need this one signal thing here. I may switch this so that this happens first. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it as is, but just making a note to myself. All right, so now we have that. I guess I need to make this be the right thing. And we'll go to that ESP, whatever, this thing. And this is the last thing I need to pull out. So we'll take these. I guess I'll just go ahead and delete it now. And we're gonna replace everything inside of this form with that. Oops. Everything up into the button, actually. So there we go. So we got our one signal app ID, one signal app ID, yeah. Mailgun, sending domain. So yeah, this is what I expected my naming convention to be. This is the only one that does it. But for consistency's sake, man, I'm not gonna deal with that right now. I'll do it another time. I'll do it that another time. All right, we have a div button. Why is this upset? Div, is it here? Let's collapse this and see what happens. That Okay, I guess that makes sense. Okay. Button, div, button, form, div. All right, I don't know how the hell I jack this up. Let's just undo everything. Oh, I see here. I see what I did. Let's put it there. There we go. Okay, so now we should be good, maybe, hopefully. MailChimp, this is a MailChimp, this is Mailgun. Mailgun, API key, Mailgun. All right, cool. I should extract these out into constants. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna put this in persistence, or actually I'm gonna call this cookie. Cookies. All right. All right, yeah, save that everywhere. All right, so now we're gonna export some other things. So we're gonna say const I don't know what it is. We'll say A for now, and yeah, okay, this is gonna be one signal app ID. You know what? Maybe I will do this. I'll say keys, like so, and then this is going to be equal to one of these. Or nah, I'm going to keep it as is. So we're going to say one signal. Oops. Not that. We'll do one signal. Cookie key. And I want this as a constant. This is probably, honestly, this is a terrible name. I don't like this. Whatever, I don't care right now. I'll deal with that another day. Naming is hard. That's why I'm like, maybe it's not that big of a deal. So we're gonna put this here, and this is gonna be the Mailgun cookie key. Excuse me. Yo, what's up, Cannabis Botany? How you doing today? Welcome to today's stream. We're doing tech stuff today because I don't know. I guess that's kind of the default of what I do these days. Or when I say these days, I mean all days. So I think I need this MailChimp. I forgot what it is. Okay, cookie. Okay, so maybe this is probably not a great name. Yeah, I can't call it that. I'll deal with this another time though. Let's go back to the cookie thing. And we'll put this here. This is gonna be our MailChimp. MailChimp cookie key. It's a terrible name. I hate this name. All right, so this should fix. Okay, it didn't. Damn it. Cookie header. Okay. The cookie is going to be equal to the cookie header. I don't know why that changed. That's weird. Oh wait, is it cookie header? No, it's not. It's what is my thing called? Cookie pref cookie or something like that. Pref cookie. That. There we are. Now what I can do is we can import the Mailgun cookie key. Oh, what is this? Yeah, wait, hold on. MailChimp cookie key. The fact that MailChimp and Mailgun are so close to each other, it confuses me. Oh my gosh. All right, and again, this is our prefs cookie. I don't know why that got renamed the way it did, but it did. And now this is going to be, what is this? Where's this coming from? Body. Okay, we don't. Okay, it's not gonna be this. It's gonna be this key right here. So we're gonna say mel API, whatever that is. So melgun. That, and then we'll also do this one signal app ID. That's not what I meant. One signal cookie key, that. And we're gonna do this. We don't need to do any of that other business anymore. All right, look at that. And we're also gonna do that here. Is this MailChimp? Yeah, this is MailChimp. And this should work, maybe. Cookie dot MailChimp cookie key. I don't like this name. I don't know why this cookie isn't capitalized. And okay, I can't rename it apparently. All right, that's great to know. Let's delete this. Oh, got our cookie. Come on, delete. All right. One signal cookie, MailChimp cookie key. What's this app going to be? I'm calling it an email migration tool. It's a application that allows you to easily export your contact list or your email list from your ESP of choice. I'm only doing 3 ESPs. Maybe I'll do 4. So that'll be Melgun, MailChimp, SendGrid, and OneSignal. You doing all right? Well, that's good. I'm at home as well. The weather is shit here. It's you can't tell, but if you can kind of see how it's like foggy right there. So not only is it humid as hell, it's raining outside and it's back to being a little bit warmer. And yeah, it's foggy. It's not foggy. It causes fog on your glass. So when I went out driving, I couldn't even see barely. Current project as well. Shoot, my current project as well. What are you doing? What's your current project? Oh, I see. You decided to take a stab at making a Roblox game. Who would guess payouts aren't good, but it's nice, busy work. I've never. I did have to play Roblox. I think is what it is, for like some kind of company event. Because my company started off as a gaming company, as in a gaming studio. So a lot of folks at my company are really into games, and yeah, that was one of our social team activities. Every so often we'll get like Steam credits and we have to go. Well, I say have to because I don't play games. I don't have any interest in them. So I had to go and like go to Steam and download these games so I could do stuff with the team. All right, one second. Cookie, preps cookie. All right, cool. I think that's good enough. Cookie, this is the preps cookie. All right, and then this is going to be the Melgun API key. Oh gosh. Okay. Man. All right, let's. All right. I'm not gonna remember the name. I've already forgotten it several times. I'm not gonna remember it. So this is Melgun. So we need Melgun cookie key. I hate this name. I'm gonna keep complaining about it until I can figure out a better name for it. I'm gonna get Melgun cookie key. And I said I was gonna extract this into a function, and then I haven't done it, and I'm still not gonna do it because I've already it's done now. And this is the last one, so there's no need to worry about it anymore. So we have our Melgun API key, and then this is, wait, why do I have SendGrid? Oh, I see. I'm looking at the wrong thing. No, I'm not. Why do I have SendGrid? This should be Melgun API key. Let's make sure there's no send grid in here anywhere. There is. Oh wait, no, there's not. Yeah, there is. So I want this to go away. This is going to be mailgun. It's going to be mailgun authentication. This is probably also going to be the same. I'm just going to post it here for now. I don't know how the mailgun is going to work. Remember, I'm just getting it scaffolded for now. All right, there's no more send grid. Is there any MailChimp? Did I do any? Oh, okay. Yeah, this needs to be mailgun. All right, is there any more MailChimp? No, we're good. Cool. So this is mailgun, set mailgun. Now we can do the thing here. So right in here, we'll say the value. It's going to be the mailgun API key. And on change, we'll grab that event and we'll set whatever the thing is, mailgun API key, to be whatever he is. All right, I think this should be good, maybe. Yeah. Got some problems. What is this? Cookie. Okay, so let's fix that. Press cookie. Okay, so we get the cookie, and this is in. Wait, what is it? Oh, this is send grid. All right, so we're gonna do our send grid. Oh, I don't have a send grid. No wonder. Okay. All right. Wait. So I have mailgun. I have MailChimp. MailChimp, mailgun. Okay, I need to have a send grid. I thought I was done. I wasn't. So we're gonna say send grid, and that's going to be equal to whatever this is. I kind of, you know what? I don't know. I kind of prefer it this way, to be honest. Prefs cookie. Update that import. All right, so now we get our send grid. Yeah, I think I prefer this style versus the dot. It doesn't really matter, but for now, like given that this is a const string, I prefer the other style, this style right here. So I may go back on what I was doing in these other ones. So let's go back to our mailgun, like right here. So instead of doing this dot, that. And this right here is mostly for me to so that I know that this is a key that I've defined. So it's communicating to me that this is something special or different somehow. So yeah, I think this is a better change to do. We'll do mailgun cookie key. All right, and see if mail or send grid is this done? Yeah, send grid's done. What about this send grid? Is this, wait, why do I have, I really should have, I should have just did the thing. I don't know what, like me being lazy, it always results in this, and I always complain, and I still don't do anything about it. All right, so we're gonna put in our send grid cookie key and our one signal cookie key. All right, is that it? Is there any more? Mailgun. I want to make sure I get all these done because it's tedious. Nope, this right here is wrong. This should be mailgun. I thought I changed this already. Oh no, this should be MailChimp. My gosh. MailChimp. Cookie.MailChimp key. Look at that. This is why. Yeah, this is why I prefer this way, because now I at least get IntelliSense to know if I'm screwing things up more than I should be. We're gonna see our cookie key right there. And yeah, so this one was right. So yeah, that would have been a weird bug to debug. MailChimp cookie key. Yeah, all right, cool. All right, all the problems are going now. So yeah, it's building. Let's see what we're looking like. Okay, let's go to MailChimp, see if that works. One signal, how about the MailChimp server prefix MailSimp, but whatever that is. I said MailSimp. We should make a, that would be a funny email tool, call it MailSimp. Allows men to easily simp. Send your simp emails. Or actually no, it would be for girls so that they're simps, so they can message their simps. It'll be a newsletter for simps. We call it Simp Grid or Mail Simp. All right, it's Mailgun. That looks right. MailChimp, yeah, that looks right. The Send Grid, yeah, that looks right. Okay, cool. For some reason, I need to make sure. Let's go to my index. Let's get these styles done. I've had enough of complaining about it and not doing anything. I'm going to do something this time. So I think that if I do an outlet, no, it won't work. I think what I want is this right here. I want to make sure that I have this on MailChimp. Max WLD, some whatever. Okay, yeah, something. All right, so maybe, maybe I'll just replace that. Let's go to MailChimp, or wait, yeah, MailChimp. Perfect. All right, so I think I need to do that on SendGrid as well. So let's go to SendGrid. All right, SendGrid is, well, that SendGrid's done. Now we want to do this SendGrid. All right, so let's see, SendGrid. Yeah, that looks a little bit better. Mailgun. Okay, Mailgun. All right, now we should have consistent styling. All right, look at that. Look at that little minor thing. Yeah, I'm dead ass though. Like we could come up with a whole product. You know, like what is Mail Simp? What does it allow you to do? I think that it should be, you know, for our modern women, our modern sisters, for them to be able to have their rotation on an email list so that they can get simp points. All right, I think, which one did I say I was doing? Did I say I was doing Mailgun or no? I'm doing Send. Wait, no. What am I doing right now? MailChimp. MailChimp is what I'm doing. MailChimp. Let's go to MailChimp. All right, so MailChimp server prefix. Okay, the reason why I don't know this is because I don't use MailChimp. I've never used it really. But we're gonna use it now. I do have an account that I set up specifically for this. We need some security information. This is what I always do. I'm always like, I'll do it later. I know I'm not gonna do it later, but that's all right. It's cool. Oh, I need to generate some email, like an email list to put in here. So that's something else that I'm gonna have to figure out how to do. But we'll get to that. Let's. Okay, where is this thing at that they're talking about? This like DC data center crap? Is it here? Profile accounts? No. Automations, audience, website integrations. I would assume integrations is like a marketplace and not me. Yeah, that's what that is. Okay, content, nope. Website, nope. Analytics, nope. All right, where's this shit at? Is it profile? domains, probably, maybe. Nope. Okay, well then, oh, here we are. Maybe this is it. Details, user, security. All right, so I have no idea how to get whatever this DC is. I didn't expect for that to be the thing that holds me up. Like, where do I get this DC shit? And where do I get an API key? Let's see, developer, MailChimp. Maybe that's a thing. Is it tools? Nope. All right. I have no idea where I'm supposed to go to create an API key. Oh, it's under extras. That makes a lot of sense, right? That's where you would expect to find API keys and developer things. It's under extras. All right. Okay. All right. Cool. Now, I guess it's going to generate a domain too, maybe. Create a mandrill API key? The fuck is a mandrill API key? Before you start, you'll be able to see full API key immediately after. Okay. So I'll make sure I won't. I wish more people would do this, more apps or more websites. For the folks like me who are streaming it so people like yourself can see, it would be really dope if they tell me beforehand, oh, by the way, if you do this, you're going to leak all this shit all over the internet. I like this. What are we going to call this? EMT. Email migration tool. Email migration tool. And this will be on Kronos. All right, let me generate my key. All right, done. All right, go into 1Password and we're gonna store this. All right, we'll do a new item, and this is, what is this? MailChimp. This is I can show this API credential. MailChimp. And this is email migration tool for Kronos. All right, the password is here, and I can't show that one. I'm gonna move it back over here. Put that in there, save it. All right, now I have it here, so you can always just copy it. And because actually that's a lie. I was about to say because I have this as a password, but it's not. Yeah, so let's change this. Let's make that password. We can close this, close that. And we're gonna close anything and everything that's gonna confuse the hell out of me. So we'll go to, oops, shit, fuck. Why did it do that? They should have like warn me if it's going to quit. God damn it. Fuck. All right, what's up with my music? Why it ain't working? All right. All right, this is MailChimp. Not that, MailChimp TSX. Here we are. So this right here, I want to be password. Refresh that. Oh, I should also start the server. All right, there we are. So we'll put that in there, and then I got to figure out where to get this server prefix from. I don't know where that's supposed to come from. Let's figure that out. I wonder what is this Mandrill API. Okay, I don't know. I'm not going to that. Whatever that is, I'm not doing that. Anyone here familiar with MailChimp? Where do I get a data center? Like, where do I get that API? What is that? Wait, create a mobile client key. That's not what I want. Maybe it's under extras again. Referral, nope. Custom website, maybe? No, probably not. Domains. Oh man. I hate when I'm not limited by technical things, but I'm limited by just like, I don't know where things are. All right, where can I get DC? That I need to figure out where I can get this DC thing from. So let's look for data center. And of course, it's not here. Fundamentals, data, okay, DC maybe, just DC. The DC part of the URL code corresponds to the data center. All right. For example, if the data center for your account is US6, all API endpoints. Okay. There are a few ways to find your data center. It's the first part of your URL. It's the first part of the URL you see in the API keys section of your account. Wow. Okay. So I'm supposed to URL bomb. That's what I'm supposed to do. Okay. Got it. That is stupid. Okay. Oh my gosh. So they want me to URL bomb. They want me to go into the URL bar and be like, oh, that's what it is. That's stupid. My gosh. All right, whatever. So I guess I'm going to have to document that because that's confusing. And they have to go to the API. Man. All right, whatever. All right, let's see what we got going. Let's stop this again and I want to start a new one. Okay, we're gonna go into MailChimp, right? MailChimp. What the hell is this? Contacts, convert. Wait, what? Why is this here? Oh, wait a minute. I see. All right, I'm looking at it wrong. I forgot I have multiple projects in here. So I'm looking for the MailChimp DAO. That right there. Cool. So I want to throw a breakpoint here. I actually don't want it there. I want it here where it is. And then we're going to call this generate report. All right, so in the action, instead of just doing just that, I want to also do this right here. So we're going to say const something equals that. And we probably want to import it. Oh, actually, no, I can't do that. That's no bullshit. We can't do that. I need to build a MailChimp DAO. Yeah, there we are. An API key is going to be the MailChimp API key. Let's see, API key. All right, we'll dump that in here. And the data center is going to be, that's going to come from the data center too, but I got to pull it out. So we'll pull that out and we'll say, what is it called? MailChimp server prefix. Okay, and then we'll say MailChimp server prefix. Why is this not working? Ah, it's just API key. All right, cool. So we have that now. What I want to do is I'm going to change this. we're going to say MailChimp server prefix. And now we should be good. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, I'm going to change all of these to be consistent. All right, and I think there's one more. Yeah, here we are. All right, so this should be better now that they're all consistent. So if things mess up, I'm more likely to realize it because at least everything is consistently wrong. It's better to be consistently wrong than to be inconsistently right, in my opinion. Do I even need this? Well, I guess. Technically, I don't need this anymore, but I am going to keep it there because I am loading stuff out of the cookie. And there's some other things that I probably want to pull out of this cookie. There's this MailChimp. And also, let's pull out the OneSignal app ID. It'll be empty for now, which is okay. OneSignal cookie key. And we're going to just drop that in there. OneSignal app ID. And I guess you know what? May as well just store the server prefix in there. It won't hurt. So let's grab that. So actually I have it. I have the server prefix. So then let's do cookie, whatever that is. And I'm going to have to create a new thing for it. So we're going to say MailChimp server prefix. It's a long name. It's fine though. And I want this to be renamed to MailChimp API cookie key. API key cookie key. And then MailChimp server prefix cookie key. And this is going to be equal to our server prefix, like such. We'll dump one of these in here. Whatever that name is, and we'll set that equal to MailChimp server prefix as const. All right, and I want that to be with all the other MailChimp shit. So we'll put these all together. So we have OneSignal cookie, we have our SendGrid cookie key. Well, actually, I'm going to rename this. It's going to be our SendGrid API key cookie key. And this is the Mailgun API key cookie key. And this is the OneSignal app ID cookie key. All right, cool. All right, so it's going to be our MailChimp, whatever this is, server something that. Look at that. And I also want to pull this out. So we're going to say const server prefix or something like that. Server prefix. That's going to be equal to our cookie, and we'll grab the MailChimp, whatever that is. Like such. And let's rename this right here. So we're going to say this is going to be our API key. I want this to be a little more explicit. All right, there we are. So then this is going to be whatever that is, dot that. And let's rename this to just be API key. All right, and I also want to pull out the server prefix. And that's going to come from server prefix. And actually, I'm just going to copy this. I don't want to type again. We're going to do the one signal something. The one signal app ID. And I haven't even done this on the other one. So the other one that I just finished, the other page. So I should probably do that to make it consistent. And this is going to be one signal app ID. This is going to be server prefix, and it looks like we're good. Server prefix, one signal app ID. All right, loader data. What do we, wait, what's coming out of loader data? Oh, this, okay, I'm tripping. Cool, so yeah. Yo, what's up, Marshall B Codes? How you doing? I am working on this remix thing. Getting ready to do a quick test to see if it's going to work. So I want to throw a breakpoint here. Do I want, no, actually I don't, no, I don't. It should just go into, oh wait, I haven't even done the thing. All right, so let's do this. So let's say let's say MailChimp DAO, like so. And then we can do MailChimp DAO dot generate that report. And I guess it's just that, we'll await it. And it might return something maybe. Does it return anything? Oh, unknown, okay. So let's see, data, whereas JSON. Okay, so let's return something. So we'll return data. For now, it's just gonna say data, but I mean, it's better than nothing. We have a breakpoint. Now I think I should be in a good position to like do something. So let's throw in my app ID, which is nothing. I think my US5 is the thing. Put US5. MailChimp API key, that's the thing that I have here. So we'll just paste that in here. Uh-oh, a component is changed in uncontrolled input to be controlled. This is likely caused by value changes from undefined to defined value. It should not happen. Decide between using, wait, what? All right, give me a second. Use state. So this should be string or undefined. I'm only putting this here for me, for types. I don't, it won't actually make a difference on the runtime conditions of this. All right, so get that in there. Wait, I'm on MailChimp? Yeah, I am on MailChimp, okay. So, let's see. A component is changing an uncontrolled input. This is likely caused by value change from undefined to a bound, right? It should not happen. Okay. Decide between using a controlled component or controlled or uncontrolled input element for the lifetime of the component. I see what's happening here. Okay, actually, yeah, that makes sense. So I don't need the on change. That's the issue. So we'll get rid of that. In fact, I don't even know if I need, I don't know if I need any of this. Yeah, I don't need any of this. Look at that. I'm over here wasting time. Get out all of that. So the value for the server prefix here, I can put that in. So we'll say value, it's going to be loader data dot the prefix, server prefix. And then the value here is going to be loader data, whatever that API key is. And where is it at? Here. Order data. All right, so I think that should fix it, hopefully. All right, so we're gonna put US5. I think that's what it was, and paste this in here. All right, look at that. So we're good. It's not failing anymore. Now we should hit my breakpoint. Yep, cool. All right, let's run this request, see what happens. Do I get back data? Okay, do I get anything? Okay, let's look. Let's see. Okay, I get an error. Build failed. The symbol MailChimp API key has already been declared. Wait, what? Okay, interesting. Oh no, I do get back data. Okay. Sure, I don't know what that was about. All right, so what I'm going to do is, I think it's the, all right, download URL is broken. That's not it, but maybe one of these is it. No, that's not it either. Yeah, let's see. This is US exports. See, I was expecting this to be it right here, but that's fine. Let's just go ahead and finish this up. We see that it fails. That's fine. Throw in A, like so. This is going to be the, I don't know, export. We'll just call it that. Oh, I can't call it that. Damn it. Export link. How about that? Yeah, just happy with that. Cool. So we're gonna get back the export link, and let's see. I think I need to use action data. Oh, I do. I have it here. Excuse me. All right. So const action data. And what I want to do is I'm just going to like drop it in here. Wait, why do I have an outlet? I don't need an outlet. We don't need that. What I want is a pre for now. So we'll do that, and we'll drop some JSON stringify action in here. The value that I care about is action something data, that. All right, cool. And I guess maybe I do want this to be formatted a little bit nicely. All right, let's see how this works. All right, let's refresh. Did it not say? Okay, it didn't save. It didn't save. Why didn't it do that? Let's see. So JSON set cookie. Huh. Interesting. Await has no effect on this type of. Oh, that's because this is. Okay, I'm done. All right. Let's try this again. So I'm gonna put my thing here, and we see the request comes. I guess I don't care about this right now at the moment, and it fails. Okay, cookie serialize is not a function. Oh my gosh. It renamed it. This isn't me. At some point, something somehow got renamed. So that's not a me error. This is a Visual Studio Code error. There we go. Look at that. Oh, my bad, Marshall. Chillin' just came from friends. I got it over Filipino. What did y'all have? Did you have lumpia or chicken adobo or garlic fried rice or whatever? I don't know. I don't really eat much Filipino food. All right, account export has been started in the last 24 hours. Only one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is going to. All right, I'm gonna just share this with someone, just so that they understand that this is going to cost me. Oh my gosh. Man, let's see here. Seriously? Okay. I guess I should spell MailChimp the way it should be spelled. All right. This is not great. Oh my gosh. Oh man. It's stuff like this that why I'm, you know, like, man. It's stuff like this. This is why I don't like, this is why I'm no longer, oh, that's not the reason why I'm no longer in it. This is why I no longer have a strong interest in being a software engineer or a software developer, because when I run up against stuff like this, I'm just like, you know what? I can't deal with this. It's just someone else to deal with this. But I don't even know. I don't know. At least my cookie is working, I suppose. So let's move on. Let's go to Mailgun. This turned out to be a little bit easier than I thought because, well, there's only one thing that I have to do. I only have to call that one endpoint. There's no logic. There's no flow. That was easy. Let me do some committing right quick. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is make sure that I have all the things. We have the one signal app cookie, Mailgun, MailChimp, cookie key, MailChimp server prefix cookie key, SendGrid API cookie key. You know what? I'm gonna remove that cookie key. There's a reason for it too. I'm importing it from cookies. So at any point I can rename it if I need to. But I think a shorter name will make my life easier because I have a habit of not spelling things correctly. So we're just gonna call this one signal app ID key. So we're just gonna get rid of that cookie part. Same here, we're gonna get rid of cookie. Okay, API key. Actually, yeah, that means shit. That actually is what I want. MailChimp key. Well, that should be MailChimp API key. It's so weird, like keying. All right, and then here I want this to be the shit. What did I just do? I want this to be prefix key. And this is going to be key. All right. So first thing is we create, actually, no, that's not the first thing. I renamed this first. So yeah, these two changes go together. All right. So we're going to say, I don't know. Cookie keys. I'll just say that. Co-locate cookie keys. Locate that. Make this a little bigger so I can see it. All right, I created a dial, but I'll get to that in a second. So we're gonna say this Mailgun. This goes away. No longer need it. Or that, yeah. So don't even need to message it. SendGrid becomes SendGrid DAO. Let them know it's a DAO. All right, and MailChimp. Okay, so I added the. We're gonna call this add boilerplate for. Actually, I don't want to commit that yet. I gotta check that first. Make sure that things are good. I think this one's good because I just looked at it. Things seem to be all right. So we'll just say implement MailChimp. All right, and minus Mailgun. This is just a, this was just add boilerplate for Mailgun. I'll put that last, I think. And this right here is just make styles consistent. And then I'll also say, I could split this up. Yeah, actually I will, fuck it, I'll do it. So the only thing that I want to put in here is, wait, which one am I looking at? TSX, all right, so all I want is, not that. I want this, and not that, and not that. And then in here, I want this, and nothing else. All right. Now at this point, we're going to use the DAO and the cookies. So use DAO and cookie keys. Go ahead and push that on up. Now I'm gonna just say add boilerplate for Mailgun implementation. We'll go ahead and push that up too. The reason why I want to go ahead and push it up is because technically, well, not technically, it does. It gets deployed. So that's, I've just deployed actually. That's what just happened. You don't know this yet, but there's automations here. So here, look at that deployment now. See how we do. Now we can look at it. All right, so we're gonna do, it's not gonna work. So I guess I'll just go to send grid and then we can see what it'll look like. We can do the things. I'm not gonna do anything. What I'm instead gonna do is focus on this Mailgun. Oh shit, that's, oh wow. Do I not have Mailgun? Mailgun. All right, maybe I don't. Let me see. Let's go to Mailgun. TSX. I don't know if I believe that right now. Let's close that. Why is this not working? There we are. So let's try Mailgun again. How come that didn't work? Oh, I know why. I know why. All right, I know why. If I had paid a little bit closer attention, I would have saw that the thing that was deployed was that first push that I did. The second push takes a while. So if I go back and refresh, it should work. But I got to figure out what's going on with this. Why is this weird? Oh, I know why. Let's close all of this. Get rid of all that. And we're going to get rid of this right here. All right, Mailgun. Yeah, we don't need this. Const loader data. Wait, what am I loading? Oh, okay, I know what I'm loading. All right, and then we're also going to have const action data. And it's going to be loader action. Do I even have loader action? Yeah, I do. This is not going to be that. This is going to be our loader data dot Mailgun API key. Okay, and then save that. All right. And then I need the Mailgun sending domain. So I guess I'm going to create another cookie key. Mailgun, where's Mailgun? Here we are. So we'll say Mailgun sending domain key. All right, so now we have our sending domain. I guess I gotta import that. Oh wait, why? Wait, what? Okay, it just took a while. All right, and I'm gonna want to get that here. So we're gonna to our value, loader data, sending domain. All right, cool. So this should be kind of working, except not really. You know what? I really should have. Nah, fuck it. I'm still I'm still not gonna do it. I'm gonna just copy. I'm gonna just keep doing it. All right. So this is gonna be the one signal app ID. One signal app ID. One signal app ID key. All right, and here I want to put our value, loader data, one signal app ID. Cool. And I want this to post to Mailgun, and then when it does post to Mailgun, I'm gonna need to pull out all those things. So we're gonna need to get the Mailgun API key, as well as the sending domain. So we'll just say sending domain. Sending domain. I think that's what I called it. Yeah, I did. So we're gonna see sending domain, and I want to store that in the cookie for now. And again, I'm gonna eventually do something where I can delete this cookie when everything is done. But for now, we'll do as we are. All right, now that we have this, I can go and create a new DAO object. So I'll do that over here. Let's see, MailChimp. All right, so we're gonna do a Mailgun DAO. Oops. All right. Export function. Const build. What are we calling this? Build Mailgun DAO. And this is going to be a function that takes in the sending domain and the Mailgun API key. So we'll say API key to be a string, and then a sending domain to also be a string, and this is going to return an object that has some things. But first we'll grab the we'll do the API. That's going to be a string. I don't know what it is so far. And then here we will return an object. And what do we need to do for Mailgun? I need to get the mailing list. Oh wait, no, wait, what is this? Mailgun list. Obviously, I don't know what I'm doing with Mailgun, so I got to figure this out. But I have these right here that I did. So I got to get a mailing list, and then it looks like I get the email. So, all right, we're going to say get mailing list. So say get mailing list. And this will be an asynchronous function. All right, and then inside of here, we'll create our endpoint. And that's going to be equal to whatever we had over here, API Mailgun net. What's that, HTTPS? Yeah. HTTPS API Mailgun.net / something. What was that? V3. All right, so V3. All right, and then here we're going to grab that. We're going to say API. And we'll go to list. Is that what it was? Lists. Yeah, lists. Pages. I think that was plural, right? List. Yeah, it is plural. All right. So we have our endpoint. Cool. Put this right here. Doing the same thing. I'm just going to log the error and then return it. Yeah, sure, whatever. Yo, what's going on, Joseph? I am working on something that I'm calling email migration tool. It's this thing right here. All it is a tool that allows you to download emails from your ESP of choice as a CSV. That's MVP. Eventually, I would like to also build a CLI application. I'll probably, ship it, and you can run it with npx or something, or maybe it'll be a Rust crate or some type of Go thing. But the gist of it is that once you've downloaded the CSV, I can then allow you to run my CLI tool or my program or whatever I'm going to do that will convert it into the format that OneSignal needs, so that you can then import it into OneSignal easily. Does that answer your question? Oh shit. I just got a declined payment because I have a spend limit of $50 for 1Password. When the hell did 1Password go up to 50? All right, I gotta edit this. Let's bump my monthly limit up to 55. Can y'all believe I'm paying $600 a year for 1Password? I need to call my my account executive person and see about downgrading to, let's see, they have another one. Let's see, 1Password. Cause I have the one for business. Yeah, wait, no, I'm sorry. Wait, yeah. Wait, which one do I have? I think I have the Teams. Yeah, I have this one. So maybe I want to downgrade to something that's cheaper. Maybe I'll go to business. I may go to business. I'm on Teams. That's why mine's so expensive. Shit. I got to do more work. I'll do that later. I don't feel like dealing with that right now. Oops. What did I just do? Updates available. No. Don't update shit. Leave me alone. All right. What was I at before I got distracted by that? I hope that they retry again. Like, I need 1Password to work. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I would do if like I lost. I wouldn't even be able to log into 1Password to pay them. I have to call them. All right, I have an API key. I'm gonna make this explicit bell gun. API key, there we are. All right, I have my little thingamajig. It looks like it's mostly okay. So let's use fetch, whatever the hell that thing is. Go to the endpoint. Excuse me. I think it was Git. I think that's what I just saw. Yeah, that was Git. And what else is there? -u API. -u. Okay. All right. So then we're going to say, wait, what? All right, we'll see about that. Let's do headers, and this is going to be authorization. Oops, this will be a basic, and then it looks like it's API. You just put API and then the thing. All right, so API : whatever this is going to be, which is probably API key. All right, so we got that. What else do we have? Pages. I guess that's it. All right, so I guess we will see if this works. So we're gonna say this is gonna be our data. I'm assuming I'm getting back JSON. I really don't know. And for now, we'll just return back data. I don't really know what it's gonna be, what the shape of this is, but we can figure that out later. I'm sure if I use their client, if it were written in TypeScript, then I would know exactly what it is. All right, so we're going to first create our mailgun DAO. That's going to be build mailgun DAO, and I'm going to pass in that mailgun API key and that sending domain. All right, now I have my DAO, so we're going to say mailgun DAO. Oops, that's not what I wanted. Mailgun DAO dot skip mailing list, and that can return data, any error, wait, or an error. No, all right, this is a weird typing. I gotta fix that. All right, let's go see if we can fix this type up a little bit. So I'm either going to return this error, but this data could be anything. Let's just return nothing. Let's just return, oh, screw it. We'll just log the error. All right. Yeah, that's a little bit better. For now, I'm not going to worry about whether or not this works. I'm just going to dump it here. So we'll grab the list, and then in here, no outlet for now. Actually, I think I may need an outlet, but I'm still going to do no outlet for now. So we'll do a pre-tag. All right, and then we'll render out whatever's in that action data. Action data, null, and then what is that, 2? All right, cool. So we have mailgun. Let's see what we can get done. All right. Oh wait, whoa. Mailgun SendGrid one signal app ID. How come the one signal app ID isn't here? There should be a value in here. Okay, this is interesting. Let's go and look at the cookies. Should definitely be a value in here. We'll take this. Oops. Take that, and then I want a base, or I want a URL encoded. So URL decode. So oops, we'll take that, and then I want to do a base 64 decode, and then that gives me here SendGrid MailChimp one signal app ID. Oh, okay. It's because I never put it. Okay, all right, I'm dumb. It's because I never put a one signal app ID in here. All right, yeah, that's the reason. Cool. Yeah. So let's figure out this mailgun sending domain thing. Wait, what? Why did it take me here? Wait, no, that's not what I want. I want mailgun. So I guess I'll use this sending domain. Oh, and mailgun API key, I want that to be a password. Right. All right, mailgun API key. Do I even have any? All right. Let me first, I'll find it, but then I'm gonna have to hide it. I can't show my API keys. Yeah, let's just move it over here. I don't know what it's going to show. Oh, it's just key IDs. So I'm going to come here. I got to add a new key. And I'm just going to do that off screen right quick. What is this going to be called? This is email migration tool for Kronos. Okay, one day it will generate, hopefully. All right, there we are. All right, let's put this in one password. Mailgun support, okay. Do new API credential. This is mailgun for email migration tool. pull this. I don't want to show that. Put the password in there. Save that. Perfect. Click done. All right, I can bring this back over to my screen now, so we're good. All right, so we'll just paste that in there, and I guess I'm gonna do that. I don't know. Weird. That's weird. But let's put a breakpoint. Actually, we're gonna put a breakpoint in the action right here, or there. Sure. Sure. Let's put it on the line that I didn't select. We'll put it here, and then we'll just close all of these other ones out. Hopefully, it actually works. All right, yeah, it did. Perfect. All right, so then we get back some stuff. Sending domain. Yep, cool. Mailgun DAO. We have a DAO. We get back data. Data unauthorized. Okay. Well, all right, sure. Interesting. Okay. Well then, fine. Cookie serialized. All right. Well, that's my bad. So this should be prefs cookie. Oh man, I got jacked up everywhere, huh? Paste that in there, and then sending domain is that. Cool. So it's failing, but you know, whatever. I got to figure out why. Why is this unauthorized? Using the. Oh, you know what? It could be because I'm using my real sending domain. I may need to use not my sending domain and use that sandbox sending domain. I don't know. Anyway, let's do some committing. Okay, what is this? Let's say add function to get mailing lists, and we'll say it's good enough. All right, so I guess this is this may be as far as I can get right now. I don't feel like figuring out why I'm getting this unauthorized error. Oh wait, you know what? Never mind. I actually may know why I'm getting that. Let me look at the request that I'm supposed to make that I've closed like an idiot. Damn it. Oh no, I didn't close it. Never mind. I'm not an idiot. I didn't close it. What is -G? Oh, get. Okay. All right. Let's make sure that that method that I'm using is the correct method. Mailgun. No, I am using that. Yeah, I am using get. I think it's this right here. This basic API key. I don't. I think that's wrong. Yeah, it's coming in as -U. I'm going to remove this basic right here. I have a feeling that that's the reason why it didn't work. Let's try that again. And we don't want this. Is it? Oh wait, is that the same? It's the same. All right, fuck it. Actually, I'm not convinced that it's the same. All right, I'm convinced that it's the same. I'm convinced now. All right, why is this not working? Authorization API key. We have API. Oh, wait a minute. I see. Where does sending domain go? Where does that go? How does that work? Why do I even need a sending domain? I'm confused about that. Oh, I see. At your domain. Okay, I see here now. All right. Or do I see? Get mailing list, view mailing list, get emails, get lists, pages, listing members. strange. What do you mean listing members? Let's just go look at the docs. Sometimes that's all that's required. Just go look at the docs. API, wait, -s, -user. -user is typically basic. So I think that is basic. -f address list at your domain. Wait a minute, I'm looking at the wrong thing. I don't want that. I want something else. So we have mailing list. Is there a get? Yeah, here we are. So we're gonna do get. The mailing list API is at lists. All right, so it is plural. Get lists address returns a single mailing list given by an address. I don't know what that means. I'm not really sure what I needed that sending domain for. Maybe it's for something else and I've just forgotten it. Remember, I haven't really dealt with this in a while. All right, so mailing list is a group of member recipients, okay? Stress, all right, when you send a message to developers, all right, they'll get them, okay. This doesn't really give me that much information, to be honest. I may have to go back and look at my key to see if there's anything special I have to do. Listing members, no. Okay, well, it seems like this is the correct thing. So I think that's what I have. Lists, pages, a get. This should be basic, I think. And here's what I'm going to do, because I don't know how, like, what this request looks like on the backend. So I'm going to use HTTP Toolkit to basically I'm going to proxy it through there, and I should be able to see the raw HTTP requests that are being made. I wonder if I get a new M3, will things just load faster? Because for some reason, things feel really slow on this computer now. When I first got it, it was amazing. It's fast. It's still fast. It still does everything. It's just I'm waiting. I hate waiting. Oh my gosh. I'm still waiting. All right, so we get back. Uh-oh, wait a minute. What is it complaining at me for now? You provided a value prop to a form field without an on change. Yeah, I know that. This will render a read-only field. I don't care. The field should be mutable. Use default value. Otherwise, set on change or read-only. I don't care. At this point, I don't care right now. It doesn't matter. All right, let's get rid of that. So let's see what we get. 401. All right. Come on now. Let me see the thing. Basic. Okay, so this is wrong, I guess. It's not. It doesn't look like this over here, which has. Yeah, it doesn't look like that. So Mailgun API Mailgun net v3 list pages. Okay. Oh wait, yeah, Mailgun. Oops, sorry. Mailgun. No, yeah, whatever. Okay, all right, cool. So yeah, we're gonna delete basic, and let's confirm that that's what's actually happening when I do this request. Yeah, that is okay. So then, I wish it told me a little bit more why I'm unauthorized. Unless I can figure that out right now. Let's go to my dashboard. Not this one. Oh my gosh. Malcolm. I gotta log in again? My gosh. This sucks. OS email ETL. I don't know. Well, I don't know. Right now I'm getting unauthorized. So that tells me that either my key, I may have not, I mean, it's likely. I didn't do the thing correctly, but code wise, things are mostly good. This is saying, let's see, provide a value prop to a form field without on-change handler. This will render read-only field. The field should be mutable. Use default value. Otherwise, either set on-change. Okay. I didn't know there was a such thing as a default value. So I think they all need to be that. We don't even have it here. I need to fix that. But this one, do that. I don't know why I have the on change here. Why did I do that? I don't know. It's interesting. So, I guess I only need it in one place. Look at that. Cool. So we will get rid of this. All right, so we're gonna have our action data, loader data, and then one of these should be upset. So we're gonna say loader data, and that's gonna be the API key if it exists. It may not. And I also want to grab the one signal key. And we'll load that value up right here. That's a default value. All right, cool. Wait a minute. How? Oh, well, I'm confused now. Didn't I just try to do SendGrid and it didn't work? Like it worked, but like, well, all right, wait. Where did I do that? Oh man, I wonder if was that SendGrid or was that? All right, you know what? Never mind. I have it in a chat somewhere. What was this? Which one is this? Oh, it's MailChimp. Okay, it's MailChimp. Okay. All right, we're good. So now we're gonna go to the SendGrid DAO, which. Wait a minute, what? Oh, yes. I remember. So this one right here is actually posting to another page. Yeah, contact list. I don't even think I need this action right here. It's not even being used. Yeah, let's comment this out for now. And we'll get rid of that. All right, I think that was the issue. It's that this isn't even being used right now. Okay. Oops. It's not running. Reason connection failed. Cannot reach remix dev server. Reject new developer no mods remix. Okay, I think I may have Something else must be running. What the hell is going on? Wait, Prisma? Why is that running? Oh, that's still happening. All right. What is going on? Connection refused. Looks like we're good now. Uh-oh. Result is not iterable. I'm not doing error handling, but there should have been a value come back here. All right, I'm not gonna do any of that now. I think I've made enough progress. Let me go ahead and get this stuff cleaned up. And I'm gonna go ahead and delete this. I know I don't need it. Plus, if I do need it, it's in Git. I can just get the change back. This change, I don't know. I'm just gonna leave it alone. Well, actually, I'm gonna keep it. So I'll say remove. Actually, the thing is that it said -u, which I thought was the same as -user, like -user, but maybe that's different. Let me check first. -u. I kind of wish. Oh yeah, see also -u. All right, so yeah, so -u, user password. So yeah, I was right. I'm doing that right. Never mind. So what I think I want to do is get rid of this basic. I will go ahead and push this, even though it may break. Like it doesn't technically work, but I don't really care anymore. So yeah, that's it. That's it for today's stream. As you see, I did get a few things accomplished, but I ran into a couple of technical issues, one of which I can't do anything about. The second one is an authorization issue. I don't really know what that is right at the moment. I'll figure that out another day. I don't really want to deal with that now. But for the most part, these are kind of implemented. Mailgun needs a little bit more work. SendGrid's done. MailChimp's done. I mean, yeah, it's done. I don't have any emails. It did work. It's just that you can only do one. And because I had no email list, it didn't come back. So I got to import emails to all of the platforms except for SendGrid. I've already done that. I may do that tomorrow. Maybe I don't know what I'm going to do Saturday. But yeah, until then, y'all have a good rest of the night. And if you enjoyed this, please consider giving me a thumbs up, liking, subscribing, all of the things. Till then, I'll see you all later. Peace.